What's up, you guys? Bringing you a new video. I just picked up this Billet Specialties steering wheel. It's called the Twister, I believe. Yeah, I think that's what it's called. It's a 15 and a half inch steering wheel with the black leather wrapped around. So here's the horn button. Part number, everything. Billet Specialties. Here's the adapter. Steering wheel adapter, GM 67 to 94. All billet as well, polished. And here's the box. Well, I had another box, but my son took it and he started playing pizza with it. So here is the leather wraparound. It's pretty firm. Here's a little hardware for it. And here is the steering wheel. Fully polished. Real nice. Like I said, it's a 15 and a half inch steering wheel. I'm gonna be putting it on the green OBS. I think later on this video I'm going to be showing you guys the window tint. I finally got it tinted. Alright, y'all, so I got the steering wheel puller. It's brand new. I think I'm gonna just keep it. It's 20 bucks, not that bad. Got my steering wheel, the leather, the horn button, the adapter. I'm about to start taking it off right now. So I'll update you guys right now with how easy or how hard this is. Alright, you guys, so I got the horn button off. Gotta be careful with this, it's delicate. Okay, so I have the kit on right here. They are all 13 millimeters right here. So I'm gonna start. Steering wheel's off. The adapter. Keep it going. It's right here.
Many months later.
This is how the steering wheel came out. Oh, Skar's up and dirty now, but I've been using it. It's been a couple months. And I also installed the tint. It was raining today. 5% in the back, 20% on the doors, and I still need to install 35% on the windshield. And we're getting ready to install some audio. Here's the radio. Don't mind the price, whatever. The Sony MXN280BT, 55 watt, extra bass, all that good stuff, Bluetooth, all that. We're gonna do two 8s, Skar Audio 8s, shallow mount, with 4x6 for the dash, the 4-gauge amp kit, wiring kit, and some kicker 4x6s in the back. So this is gonna be my helper. Oh, and the amp. Here's the box over here. Excuse the mess. We're moving out. That's the box. Alright, so we got the radio out. The radio dash, harness, whatever. Here's the old radio. Got the speaker. Taking this bitch out. It is a, I don't even know. But let's disconnect this. Ah, shit. I'm on this. Speaker hole, old speaker. So these aren't the stock speakers, but I think they're blown out. So I'm just going in the trash. Okay. Got my little light right here. Dark already. Cousin over here wiring up the new harness for the radio. Según muy profesional. Let's see. Alright, so we got the other speaker out. Now removing this back dash panel. Shit. Well, yeah. Pretty good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. None of them cracked. Alright, good. Here they are. Dirty as hell. Put this to the back right now. Alright, you guys. So, we got the back all out. Peace. Right here. Right there. Gonna run the cable right here. Still going. Alright, so we ran through the power cable for the battery. Still running through the other cables, but it's through there, through our already existing hole. I'm gonna run it through here. Box is in, just a test fit. But yeah, it's getting there. It's going. We had to remove the coolant reservoir. The stereo's all wired up. Alright, so the new stereo's in. Sony. Everything's wired up. Still need to put these cables away. Box is back here still. Put the stereos in. Now time for the speakers and the subs. Skar Audio TX46, and in the back, kicker KSC 460. See which one holds up the best. Alright, so we got this whole dash put back together. Speaker. We got the new kickers in here. You can't really see them, but they're the kickers. And right now I'm screwing in the Skar on this side. The Skar's gonna go on the other side over there. But yeah, it's fucking cold. You can see my breath, but yeah, so it's getting there. It's fuck. We're mid-December, but fuck it, we're gonna be bumping. Next day, we got the speakers in right here. The box is a little dirty, but 2/8, they're in, and we got got the amp hooked up. Gotta clean up the wiring right now, but we got it hooked up right there. Other side, we got it ground over there. We gotta connect to the battery now. So we almost got base. Almost. Alright, so we're in the final steps. Hooking up the power cable. The fuse right there. Once again, it's dark. Here are the subs. Here's the amp. All wired up. Sitting back there. Got these wired up too. The Skars in the back. So we had to run a new cable to them. That way they would that way they'd work, because the previous owner ran I don't know what they did. They did some weird shit and the back speakers weren't working, but now they do. Ran individual new speaker wires to them.
3 weeks later.
Alright, so it's installed. Everything's put back together. Where's it at? Back there. These are put back together.